morning guys, today is Friday. I sound so sick, but what can you do about that? So today I actually have uni at 2 o'clock, but I'm also going to meet my friend Erin just because she's down for a casting, and I thought it was the perfect opportunity to try out some vegan restaurants. I think we're just going out for some brunch, so I just tried to look for some cheap vegan places to go. I didn't really want to go to the typical overpriced places like by Chloe and things that people have been suggesting me, because I'm actually not the wealthiest at the minute. We love being a student. So I actually did some research online and I found a place called Kin Cafe. It's in Oxford Street, which isn't too far from me, so I thought that would be quite easy to get to. Apparently they do like quiches, sandwiches, salads, just quite a range of foods, and it's fairly cheap, so hopefully it's good, because this is literally going to be my substantial breakfast, so hopefully I really like it. So yeah, I'll just be taking you along on this little food journey, I guess. My skin is absolutely atrocious at the minute, by the way. Please ignore this. I don't really know what's happening to it. We're just gonna have to deal with it. I will say that I will say though, the majority of my skin at the minute is just acne scars. Being vegan has actually really helped clear up my skin. I don't know whether it's cutting out the dairy or what, but sis, it's really good. So I don't know if you can see, but my skin is actually glowing, but it's just like, obviously I've got all these scars here. None of these are actual spots, like these are all scars, these are scars. This is the only actual spot I've got, and it came up yesterday. I don't know whether it's just because I haven't had sleep or anything like that, but again, I'm wearing vegan makeup today. I hope you guys enjoyed that video 2 days ago. I am obsessed with vegan makeup. I didn't actually realize how much makeup was vegan until I obviously researched it. I'm very shocked at half the brands as well. Like, I didn't even know that half of these brands were vegan. I always thought they weren't cruelty free, so it's always a good thing to know. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish my cup of tea, obviously with almond milk, and then I'm gonna brush my teeth, leave, and go see Erin. Let's go. Oh my god. Is it not nice? Tea. Okay, so I got a vegan chocolate brownie. I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't look the best. It looks quite burnt. Don't know how to feel about that. And then I got an immune booster. Apparently it's apple, ginger, carrot. And then what did you get?
I got the green machine. It tastes like cabbage.
Lovely.
So I am gassed to eat that.
So Erin got a courgette, soy, and
shallots or something?
Yeah, something like that. So we'll see if that's any good. I'm about to eat my brownie.
This is gonna fill me up.
Right, I'm gonna try the brownie.
That's not it. It's saying it's nice.
It tastes like dark chocolate, and I don't like dark chocolate. I'm not really too sure how I feel about that. It's not the best thing in the world. I hate dark chocolate, and that's what it tastes like. But obviously I'm gonna eat it. This is my breakfast. We love that for me. But this was £3.50, so it wasn't too bad.
No, not too bad.
But the drink was £4, so that was quite expensive. I don't know whether it's just this cafe or whether this is just restaurant vegan food anyways. But we'll see. Have a nice day.
Run your mouth, but I never listen. You hold me back, will never last. Keep talking all your shit. Wondering how all this started. You left me broken hearted. You flipped my words, yeah, this love hurts. Keep talking all your shit.
So sorry for not really talking when I just came in. I literally thought I was gonna faint, so I needed to eat food real quick. I just thought I'd update you. I basically haven't had a lot to eat today just because I've been at uni, so I only really had that brownie today, and that is literally it. I also lost my juice halfway through uni, so that's marvellous. But I thought I'd just run into Leon and try their vegan menu, because the vegan places that I was looking at online weren't really appetizing to me. I feel like restaurants that try and adapt to vegan people do better food. It sounds really weird, would you agree? Pizza Express, when they do vegan pizzas.
Oh yeah, they do.
Do you know what I mean? I'd probably enjoy that a lot more than a vegan cafe. Like, I didn't really like the fact it was just salad, and the sandwiches were vegetarian, so I couldn't even have a sandwich. And I know Erin had a soup, but I don't really like courgette, so I don't think I'd like that very much. So I ended up just having the brownie, and obviously a brownie isn't really like a substantial breakfast food, but this from Leon, I basically had meatless meatballs, I think they were called. So good, like literally could not even tell that it wasn't meat at all. I love rice and I love all the sauces that they put in, so that was really nice. Me and Freya normally have the satay chicken from Leon, and it is like my favorite thing ever, but really enjoyed that. I think I am actually though gonna cook more food at home this weekend because it's just so expensive. The Leon one, to be fair, was only £4 just because I got student discounts, so it wasn't too bad. But with like the cafes and the proper vegan restaurants and things, for example by Chloe, it's like £12 minimum for food, and I just don't really have the funds as a student to do that. So I think it will be cheaper for me to eat at home for the rest of the weekend. Big thumbs up on the meatless meatballs. No thank you, Freya's never becoming a vegan. She loves the meat so much. What kind of meat is that, Freya? So yeah, I will catch up with you more than likely tomorrow. Why are we getting mail at this time of night? Who is that? Freya, who is that? Hi, so I know you probably wasn't expecting a full face has in this video because obviously the makeup video was the other day. However, I'm just about to go out and I just tried out the lashes that I mentioned in my previous video, and what do we think? I quite like them. I'm very aware that I have eyelashes on my eyes though, which is normally not what I like, but these are quite big lashes, so I'm not really surprised. I also just wanted to come onto this video and say that on the Saturday I got pretty sick when I was filming this. I think I was just generally run down from having such a busy week that I literally didn't even leave the house that day. I only really had one substantial meal, which was a jacket potato with vegan chicken pieces and chili powder, and I'm not even gonna lie, this was so good. I think it was just exactly what I needed for the fact that I was ill. In the morning I also had granola and almond milk. However, I didn't film this because I was just so drained and so ill I didn't even think about picking up the camera. So let's just say Saturday was a very lazy day. On the Sunday, however, I bumped into my friend actually when I was going to the library, and we thought we'd just grab some food together. She likes Lyon, I like Lyon, so we decided to go there. As you already said in this video, I have been to Lyon before and I loved their vegan food last time, so I thought I'd go again and just try something different. I think I had the Lebanese mez. I'm not really too sure how you pronounce it, but it basically was sweet potatoes, hummus, pomegranate seeds, some salad, lemon, oh, and falafel. Nearly forgot falafel. Honestly, not even gonna lie, it was so nice as well. Like, I actually really enjoyed this food. And my friend Maddie that went with me, she actually got the chicken nuggets from there. And let's just say I'm really glad I was vegan this week because it wasn't cooked. Like, it was raw ass chicken. It was so gross, so I was so glad that I actually had like a healthy meal. I didn't have to worry whether it was undercooked or not, so it was all good. That was it for that weekend. However, the week after, which is the week that I'm in now as I'm editing this and filming this video, I actually just met up with some friends, went out with Byron, things like that. And as I was going around, I noticed there was a lot of vegan products and a lot of places that actually accommodate to vegan people that I just didn't even think of. For example, I went to Serial Killer Cafe with Ellie, Kira and Anna, and literally on the menu it said, if you are vegan, ask for our vegan menu. Now, I don't know what is on that vegan menu, but I think it's really good that they're accommodating to people like that. I also personally find it really hard to find a self tanner, and me and Byron went into Boots to get in some hair dye, and we actually realised when we were walking down the aisle that there was just like a whole section for vegans. Basically, I think self tanner is quite hard to find. There are so many products that are in it that are obviously not cruelty free that is in self tanner. However, I saw one, I think it was called the Isle of Paradise, so I just thought that was a little heads up for some luxury items that are vegan as well. Speaking of vegan products, I also found some more makeup products. We actually sell it in Urban Outfitters. I work there for nobody that knows that, and we started selling a brand which is Urban's own, I think, called Oh Hi, completely vegan range. We started selling it in the UK store, so if you are from the UK and you want some vegan makeup, it's very pigmented. I have been swatching it on my hand at work. So yeah, just a heads up. This does, however, sadly conclude the vegan week. I really do hope you guys have enjoyed this series. This doesn't mean just because this is coming to an end that I'm going to stop eating vegan food. I actually have found out that I really prefer it over meat. I'm not missing milk too much either. Almond milk is like my best friend at the minute. I do, however, want to talk to you in more depth about veganism because I feel like I haven't really done that this series. And I just want to let you know what else you can do just to help the environment and just contribute to this vegan lifestyle, because it really actually does help the environment and help the earth, and global warming is just such a problem at the minute. I don't even think people realize how bad it is. I mean, as you've seen in this series, it is so easy to be vegan. I haven't really changed my lifestyle at all except from what I purchase, and that isn't really any difference in the price range. If I was going out for a meal, it would still be as expensive, to be fair. And this doesn't even mean that you have to go fully vegan. Even if you just have some replacements for meat sometimes, or even just replacing your whole fat milk with soya milk or almond milk or coconut milk, any of those literally help. When I was watching the documentary Cowspiracy, it really did open my eyes to just how much even eating meat damages the environment. I didn't even know it could affect global warming like that. I'm also going to tell you something right now that I found out when I was watching Cowspiracy that literally blew my mind. I had no idea that it took this much water to make a singular burger that you can get at McDonald's. It really just put everything into perspective for me. So one hamburger, 2,400 gallons of water. 2,400. Most of this obviously is animal agriculture and all the feed and everything, but we abuse these animals, and for a whole kilogram of beef it is 15,500 litres, sis. And this all contributes to global warming and damaging the earth and everything like that. Obviously, people always say don't take long showers because you really don't need to. I mean, that's something that I feel like I should probably do, is take shorter showers, because I really don't need to be in there for that long. If you do have time, please do go watch our documentary. I'm not obviously going to say all the points in this video. You can go and do your own research for that, but it really was an eye-opener for me. Anyway guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this series. If you didn't catch Monday or Thursday's videos, the links will be in the description. I kind of want to continue this little series. I'm really enjoying the vegan lifestyle at the minute, and you guys are really enjoying watching it as well. So if you have any other suggestions for different aspects of life, then let me know. I would definitely film another one of these. I know clothes I haven't looked into, so maybe I could do that. Also, if you do have any tips and advice on being vegan for like beginners such as me, then please leave a comment down below. I will heart your comments if I find them helpful, just so it's easier for other people to find as well. If you don't mind, please hit the like button as well and subscribe down below, just so you know you can stick around for a bit longer. My Instagram will be on the screen here. That's where I'm most active, and all my other social medias will be in the description as well. And yeah, I think that's it for this video. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you next time. Bye.